Are you someone who loves to play online games? What games do you usually play? Are currently earning while playing? What if I told you that there are games designed for you and let you make money at the same time in this video? So I will show you games you can play and can let you earn money while playing. I will demonstrate the most popular online games that pay real money. This is 100% free, and you have nothing to lose, doesn't require any skill or expertise. It's accessible to anyone, no matter where you are. We have very specific instructions that you will need to follow. So make sure that you watch the entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused. Now let's get started. Now go over to this website called irazoo.com. This website allows you to money in various ways, as you can see from the list above. You can download applications, watch videos, complete surveys, complete offers, and play games. They will pay in cash or gift cards to earn money in return, as you've seen right here. Here they have paid out over $100 million. The firms like CNN, Yahoo, The Wall Street Journal, and others are included, which would not be the case if this wasn't legal. Here you can see this is the web's most popular rewards program. They give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Earn points when you watch videos, complete offers, and answer surveys. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers or get cash back from PayPal. Now, here's how it works. You first have to sign up for the website. Then you gain points by playing games, completing surveys, or anything, and then you decide your rewards. As you can see, they also provide Amazon gift cards, but if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is also an option. You can learn more about this website here. To create an account, click on Join in the upper right corner, input your email address, first and last names, and password, and then click on Create Account right here. You can click on Join with Facebook for quicker account creation. After that, you'll be able to begin making money. When you earn 3,000 Irazoo points, you can exchange them for your first reward. They release rewards weekly. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming video.